Hi, what are you having?
Coffee, you?
Tea.
We have been waiting so long for this coffee
Yeah,
and tea.
very long.
It will be easy if we have coffee and tea maker at the same time, right? But how is it possible?
It is possible. We have a machine that can make both the drinks at the same time.
But machines are very difficult to use.
No, you're wrong. See, it is user friendly and it saves a lot of time too. Now we are going to unbox. This is the one-stop solution.
Oh, really?
Open the top lid of the tea and coffee maker. Now, take the filter vessel, shower pipe, 2 taps. Now remove the tea vessel. Remove the coffee vessel. And this is the collecting vessel. Abhirami filter coffee maker and tea maker. With this machine, we can make coffee and tea at the same time. We can also save 25% of wastage of coffee powder and tea powder. It also blends the coffee powder and tea powder to perfect consistency. This machine can prepare 50 to 100 cups of tea and coffee decoction at the same time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How to use this machine? Can you explain?
First, let me show you the coffee making process. To make fresh coffee, take 250 grams of fresh filter coffee powder
Okay.
and put it into the vessel. Now, close the lid. Now fill RO or purified water inside the tank. Shall we close? We should ensure that the shower pipe is straight and fixed correctly in the middle of the coffee vessel. After this, turn on the power switch. Hot water will flow through the shower pipe at 90 degrees Celsius in small intervals.
Can we have our coffee now?
No. It'll take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the coffee to brew so that you can have the authentic taste of the coffee. Now turn on the warmer button only. See, the coffee procedure was very simple and easy. It'll take just 10 to 15 minutes to make a very fresh filter coffee.
Yeah, you're right. But you forgot one thing.
What? Oh, tea. Wait, I'll show you the tea making procedure. So shall we start? Now this time you're going to do the process and I'm going to guide you.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's first open the lid. Then pour this water into the tank. This would be around 2 liters. After pouring the water, you should close the lid. Okay, now the tank is closed. Now add sufficient quantity of tea powder into the container. Okay. Now you have to close the lid. Now shift the shower pipe to the tea vessel. Yeah, perfect. Now you have to turn on the power switch. And hot water from the shower pipe will flow at 90 degrees Celsius in small intervals. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the tea to brew. Now turn on the warmer switch only after the tea is completely brewed. You can set the temperature to about 100 degrees Celsius or lower.
Now we are ready to use our tea and coffee decoctions.
Safety precautions. Safety precautions. Place the coffee and tea maker on a flat surface while using. Do not remove the filter disc daily and replace only when it is old or damaged only. Do not move the machine when it is hot or in use. And Keep out of reach of children. Move the machine only after draining the water completely. Turn off the warmer switch when the coffee or tea decoction is less than quarter liter. Cleaning procedure. Clean the collecting vessels, filter vessels, shower pipe, 2 taps and lids with water. At the end of the day, the filter should be cleaned using water only. Only purified water or RO water should be poured inside the tank. Coffee powder, tea powder and milk should not be poured inside the tank.